everyone, today I want to show you how to remove Gmail account access from unwanted websites. For this, first, open your Chrome browser. Once your browser is open in front of you, today we will see how we remove unwanted websites from your Chrome browser. For this, you will see a button right here, like a profile picture. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. Once it's open, just click on Manage your Google account. After clicking, a new format with stars opens in front of you. Once the new format is open in front of you, this is the official website from Google. Go to the website dashboard and click on Security. After clicking on Security, a new tab visits the front of you. Once the new development of you is here, you just need to scroll down. Scroll down until you find your connection to third-party apps and services section. Once you find it, just click on See All Connections. After clicking on All Connections, a new tab starts in front of you. Once the new tab is open in front of you, hey, you can see all these websites that are connected to your Google account. We can delete anyone or unattach these websites from our Chrome account. For this, I am opening that website. After clicking Wallet that I said, a section will be open in the last of the dashboard. You can see we can delete all connections you have with AI chatting. Okay, that's the way to remove Gmail account access from unwanted sites.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.